Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech. Just recently I received this in the mail. It's from wool&oak, wool&oak, and then the website is wool&oak.com. This is a backpack that I had ordered. It's pretty much, they said it's a companion backpack. It's the wool&oak wings. And let's get started. Open this part up right here. Open this part right here. I already tore this part down here. So here you have it. This is the backpack right here. See, nice packaging. As you can see here, it's completely flat. Not like all the other regular backpacks, it's always puffy. This one actually, I guess since the name wings, it folds out and then you zip it up and that's when it puffs up. But right now here, you can fold it like this so it's portable, so when you're not using it, you can transport it with your luggage or leave it in your closet somewhere until you're ready to use it. Now when you're ready to use it, it opens up like wings. As you can see, opens up like wings, and it folds, it zips up into the backpack. So when you have it opened up, you have a pocket right here, two pockets right here. Looks like it's meant for pins. You also have the inner pocket right here. It looks like it could fit most of your laptops, 15 inches, and then most of your iPads or some type of tablet. Here you have two pockets here on the inside, pretty deep, goes from here to here. As you can see here, they're both the same on both sides. And let's go ahead and get it zipped up. Here, as you can see here, zips up here. And we zip it on the other side. Move my trusty knife out of the way. As you can see here, it zips up on this side too. Then you have two clips right here, two ring clips right here, and you have a hook right here. And you can see, you're wondering why there's two ring clips. This first ring clip is used if you have a sweater or jacket, or even, I'm assuming it should fit like a mat, like yoga mat or something. You can clip it there at the first one and secure it. The second one is if you want to totally close it and you're not carrying your extra jacket or anything, then you could clip it to that second one for added security. As you can see, you don't have to clip it, but for added security, as you can see here, you have the zipper and then you have the hook. Now it's pretty lightweight. As you can see, really lightweight. And as from here to here is 17 inches, and from here to here width is 10 inches. So it's pretty big sized backpack or travel companion bag. Here you have a mesh, soft mesh, padded soft mesh for your comfort. And you have these two straps right here also. And this is leather. And it's also water resistant. You also have a couple pockets on the outside. You have here for water or any other items, keys or anything, and it's magnetic. So it's also, to me, it's also pretty secure if it's magnetic, because you can hear somebody if they're opening up your magnet part. As you can see here, magnetic. There we go. And then you also have a zipper in here, another security zipper to fit all your items like your wallet or your cell phone. It fits a Note 9, so I'm assuming it could fit all the iPhones. And then another feature that it has is when you're carrying your backpack and you need to access inside, you can easily slip it over on the side and voila, you have access to the inside, all parts of the inside. And it's the same if you're left-handed or right-handed. Same thing on this side. You just have to make sure the zipper, there is a zipper on the other side. See? And then you also have the feature. You don't have to open it all the way up, all the way. But if you open it partially, and you have access to the front. As you can see, have access to the front. So now you have access to the front. You can put all your items in. And you would just zip it back up again. And it seems like you could pretty much fit a lot of items in here, especially when it's open. It fit like a couple pair of clothing, some shoes. Like I said, it's a companion day trip, so you get to your destination and you unfold this, turn it into a backpack, and you could use it to carry around wherever you're walking around town, carry your items, your cell phone and stuff. So pretty light, pretty neat. And there you have it, everybody. The wool&oak. Now it does come with 4 different colors. 4 different colors are available to purchase. You have the sand, the oak, the chocolate, and the jet black. Now this is the chocolate. Maybe it's a little dark, but maybe I should have gotten the oak color or the sand color, but I did not want to get black. I have too many black backpacks already. So there you have it, the wool&oak wings backpack. Oh, one more thing. You're probably wondering what this is. I'm not really sure what this is used for, to be honest. Maybe to hold some item and then you would just tighten it up. Once you have your item in here, well, I guess if you put it sideways, actually. If you put it sideways, you put your jacket in sideways, you can use it to hold it down. Yeah, I think that's what that part is used for. And then you can hold it down extra with this safety hook. And there you have it. This is the wool&oak wings backpack. You can see how big it is when it's fully zipped up. And let me undo it to where when you have it fully compact to store or to transport when you're not using it. Really easy, really straightforward. Just fold it like this. Fold it like this. And there you have it. Super flat, super lightweight. And there you have it, everybody. I'll put a link on my website, on the channel itself, for where you can purchase on their website, and also put a link in the Kickstarter so you can actually see the original campaign. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment and please subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.